Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, launch WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now, once you're on the home page, tap on a group chat where you want to tag everyone in. So I'm going to select this group chat. Now, one thing you have to note down is that currently there is no feature on WhatsApp where you can tag everyone at once. But what you have to do is you have to mention everyone one by mentioning their name like this. Just tap on @ and mention the name of each individual of the group. Then tap on send at the right-hand corner. Now, what you have to do is just tap on @ again and just type everyone. Here we go. Now tap on the send button at the right-hand corner again. Now this is the only way by which you can mention everyone present in the group. There is no other way that you can use in order to mention everyone in the group, but you have to tag the members of this particular group one by one and just tap @ everyone and then send that message. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.